Hello guys! Kamusta kayo? O, kamusta? Ang sunod ng kamusta ay... I really enjoy sharing with you my workout routines in the gym. Alam ko, some of you gusto namang buhat sa bahay o sa gym para maging physically fit na din. If you're watching this, ay nako, maniwala ka, ito na yung sign mo para mag-start ka na magbuhat. So, for today's video, ang workout natin ay isa sa mga pinaka-favorite ko. For me, madali lang siyang ma-follow at instantly nakakaganda ng form. We will do back and biceps workout. Also, isi-share ko din sa inyo ang go-to food ko na kinakain. How I refuel my muscles after a heavy and intense workout. So, ano pang hinihintay natin? Tara na! In 3, 2, 1, let's go! So let's begin with wide grip front lateral pull down. The lateral pull down is a great exercise to target your lats, but it also works with a variety of other muscles that work together to extend and adduct your arms. This workout hits your pectoralis major, lower and middle traps, and biceps as well. We're gonna do 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, dito pa din tayo sa lat machine, pero this time sa likod naman or behind the neck lat pull down. Also called wide grip rear lat pull down, is an exercise intended to target the muscles of the upper and middle back. This workout targets the trapezius and rhomboids as well as the lats. So we're going to do 12 reps, 3 sets here. On our third workout, kung kanina cable lat machine, ngayon naman lat machine na talaga. It's a good thing na we hit our complete workout sa upper back para mas intense. Monster back activated. Let's go! So we're gonna do 12 reps, 3 sets here. Moving on to our fourth back exercise, the seated back row machine. From upper back to middle na tayo. When using a seated row machine, shift the chest pad away from your body. Your chunk will have to work harder to stay still, then tuck your elbows and move slowly. Ramdamin mo yung intense. So we're gonna do 12 reps, 3 sets here. Let's hit our fifth workout, seated cable row. It is a great back isolation exercise that can help build back thickness and strength. It also minimizes added stress and fatigue to the lower back and hamstrings. So 12 reps, 3 sets here. Bale, each workout I have 2 to 3 minutes rest bago ako mag-proceed into another program. Now, let's do the barbell row. One of the most popular exercises for the back is bent over row, guaranteed to add mass to your back and give you the strength to pull more than you have before. Another 12 reps, 3 sets here. On our second to the last workout for the back, we will hit our lower back using this adjustable Roman chair chest or back extension bench. Pwede naman tayong mag-deadlift pero mas safe kasi itong gamitin at iwas injury din. Bali, it helps din to relieve lower back pain. Medyo nakakahilo nga lang, so let's do 12 reps, 3 sets here. To finish our back program, magba-body weight tayo. Ito pwedeng gawin kahit sa bahay lang. No need for equipment kasi your own body weight ang gagamitin mo. Favorite ko din to kasi strength training siya. So let's do 12 reps, 3 sets here. After natin mag-back program, I will give you a quick biceps training. Ang perfect na isabay kapag nagba-back workout ka. Gusto nyo ng bigger biceps? So let's do this! Tara! Start tie with biceps cable curls. Use both the hand attachment, then stand facing away from the cable machine. Extend your arms, holding the handle in your hands. Next, curl the handle up, moving only your lower arms. Once your biceps are fully contracted, return to the starting position. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Next, another machine for biceps. Target nito is the long head of your biceps. Make sure that you lift the weight na kaya mo lang. 12 reps, 3 sets here. For the third program, ilagay natin tong straight bar sa cable. Then, ayusin natin ang form and pump. Make sure na you are hitting the biceps while doing this exercise. 12 reps, 3 sets here. Then, to finish our biceps program, we will do the dumbbells hammer. Dahil medyo sore na ang aking biceps at pagod na kala nyo, hinto ako? No! Tutuloy pa din natin. 12 reps, 3 sets here. At natapos na din ang monster back and biceps workout. Ngayon naman, samahan niyo ako sa Jeddah Park para i-share sa inyo how I refuel myself after basagang muscle workout sa gym. So, andito ako ngayon sa food court ng Jeddah Park at na-order sa shawarma food chain. Dahil nga madalas naman ako dito, halos alam na ni Kuya yung ino-order ko. Ito yung shawarma. Legit na legit chicken shawarma talaga. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo ano yung in-order ko. Sunod naman sa kudo. Haha, isa din to sa mga favorite ko talaga. So, umorder ako ng chicken bites. And next sa McDonald's naman, I'm using McDonald's app para yung 9 reals na McFlurry Oreo sundae magiging 5 reals na lang. At kompleto na nga ang aking meal. Ito yung shawarma na sinasabi ko. Tawag dito ay shawarma plate. Kuha tayo ng tinapay. Hahatiin ko. Saka ko lalagyan itong shawarma chicken na binili natin kanina. Lalagyan ko din ng fries para naman may source ako ng carbs. Sarap. 10 out of 10, syempre. And next, ito namang McFlurry ng McDonald's. Hindi to sponsor ha. McDonald's, baka naman. I usually eat ice cream. Nakakawala kasi ito ng stress sa totoo lang. At ito yung chicken bites from Kudo. Sino ba naman ang ayaw ng chicken nuggets? Usually, mga protein source ng food, G yan. Fun fact about me pala guys. Hi, guilty ako sa part na to. Pero sobrang dalas ko mag-diet cola ha. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit mo na rin ang notification bell para updated ka sa mga bago kong upload. Maraming salamat!